Yeah, no, this will be shut all the way by the time we're done. And then we might, unless you can get it out by tonight and it works for our schedule, we can come back and get it operable. This is Brad, not your usual technician you're seeing. We're headed to a job right now, and it's not your usual residential job. That's most of the cases, but this is a commercial job with a big door, and you get calls like this too, and we'll show you inside. Is there a door down there? Oh yeah, look, it's off. Looks so easy. Yes. It's just the top. Yeah, no, this will be shut all the way by the time we're done. And then we might, unless you can get it out by tonight and it works for our schedule, we can come back and get it operable.
Gotcha. So probably gonna need a new cable, I would assume, right?
No, the cable will be fine.
The cable might be okay. It's just we can't get up there without a taller ladder.
Yeah,
so.
it doesn't matter. Okay, awesome, guys. I'm glad I come down and seen you guys here.
Yeah.
Rock on, dude.
But I'm pretty sure it's 160.
It's gonna, I'm gonna do it very slow. Oh yeah, there we go. Here, let me move the hammer real quick. There we go.
Is the gap closed?
Yeah, it's completely shut. I could actually lock that right there. Have a good day.
Thank you.
All right, guys, we just finished that job at Bed Bath & Beyond. It went through a maintenance company, so they're gonna pay me digitally. It took us about 30 minutes or so. Like I said, even though we pretty much only do residential, just houses and neighborhoods and stuff, occasionally you'll get maintenance people or big corporations that call you, and you love to go out and do them because it's all the same concept, same type of mechanics behind it, but it's great to get these commercial calls every once in a while.
If you want to learn a trade, learn the garage door trade, and you could do repairs all day long. An average call is at least $500 a call, and it could go as high as $1,500 if doors are off track and all that. And it's simple. It's simple once you learn how to do it. You could do 8 to 10 calls every single day. And if you want to get bigger, you just have to advertise in different areas, and you could hire people to do it as well. You could train them how to do it. But that's if you want to go bigger, or if you want to do it yourself, you could just stay in one area and make great money. If you want to learn the trade, you sign up at www.garagedoortrainingschool.com, and we'll teach you how to do this trade to where you'll know enough to go out and start repairing garage doors. You also get a certification at the end with your name on it. So if you need it for a job, you need it for any type of proof that you have experience, we give you that at the end. You print it right out. This is an online course. You can do it at your own pace. It's a video course. You can do it from your house. You don't have to do it all in one sitting. You can continue later. If you fail the test at the end, you can retake the test. And also you get a lifetime membership to the course. We give you price sheets, so when you go out to jobs, it's a recommended price sheet. We help you buy parts. We help you with that as well if you need it. We teach you basically the language of garage doors. You're gonna know how to identify things and work with the springs and the cables and everything else. I'm telling you, this is a great business. It's year round. You never get slow in this business. Like I said, told people before, I know people making over $40,000 a day. So if you're looking to do garage doors or garage door repairs, anything with garage doors, go to www.garagedoortrainingschool.com and sign up, because you won't regret it. Once you start tasting the money and people start calling you to fix their door, you're going to even get relatives once they know you do this. Or friends, or the people are going to find out you do this, they're going to be calling you off the hook. If you advertise on your truck or your van, when you're doing the job. People are going to wave you down on the street. They're going to approach you if you're eating a sandwich in a delicatessen. They're going to look for you, or they're going to wait till you come to your car. They're going to take pictures of your car with the phone number on it. They're going to track you down once you start advertising. You're not going to be able to get away from people wanting you to fix their garage doors. So it's a great business, I'm telling you, and probably 8 out of 10 people, you tell them you do garage doors, they're going to tell you their door won't open, or they've had problems with it, or they just had it repaired, or they're going to need something. Their garage door remote control doesn't work, or the door sometimes doesn't work, and then all you got to do is say you can come out and take a look at it, and you got a job. And then you can charge them whatever you want. So we give you price sheets though, so you don't have to make up prices. We give you all that as part of the course. We give you all the tool lists. We're putting together now a practice, like an assembly thing we put together with the spring and the cables, all that, so you could actually practice winding the springs at your house, or you could practice resetting the cables, doing all that. And that way when you go out to the job, you just do it on their door when it's broke. So anyway, remember, Garage Door Training School is the best way to learn how to do this. No company is going to train you, because they know for a fact that people, once they train them after 2-3 months, they see how much money there is, how much money this guy's making. They end up quitting and doing it themselves, and that person becomes their competitor. So most companies will only train their relatives and friends, or their family members or whatever, and then everybody else is basically, they're very skeptical who they train. So you don't have to worry about that, and they make you feel uncomfortable when you're working with them. A lot of companies will make you sign a non-compete clause. That means that you can only work for them, and if you do, they can sue you and you're going to owe them a bunch of money. So it's like a 10-year clause that you can't get in this business whatsoever. You can't be in the garage door business. So, and if they find out you are, all they get to do is take pictures of you or do whatever. They'll even set you up to where they can sue you and win in court, and you're going to owe them a bunch of money. So don't even go that route of trying to get a job with them without any training. You need to be trained in this business. If you're trained, however, they'll hire you as a piece worker or to work for them, because they already know you know how to do the work. And most people that learn this, they want to do it themselves and make all the money. So anyway, go to www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. It's a great trade. Back right up to the door, fix the door, drive away with a check. Don't go up any stairs. Don't do all that. All those other trades are hard, labor-intensive work. When garage door sounds like it is, but it really is very easy to repair doors. So you just have to know what you're doing. You have to know sizes and dimensions, how to wind, how many turns to put on springs, all that stuff. We teach you all that. It's really the best trade to be in. Nobody tells you it because they don't want you getting the job, so they keep their mouth shut. But I'm letting you guys know that this is a great business, and I'm ready to retire. So and everybody's in this business has always been secretive on who they hire and all that, but I'm letting the cat out of the bag and letting you guys know that the garage door world is everybody in this business that's doing it is making a lot of money. So if you want to get in this business, the real way to learn, and the only way to learn, is to go to garagedoortrainingschool.com. That's at www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. Check them out, sign up, and it's very reasonable priced. I mean, don't even think about the price, because you make it back in one day once you start doing repairs. All right, over and out.